with an order a second ago, and I lost some unnecessary dollars, but it's upsetting. So I need to get back long because I know this market is going to definitely rally. So I want to be getting long here. I'm going to be buying 8 at 54 even, looking for the bounce off the round number 54 even. All right, 54 even is right there. All right, so we'll see if we get lucky on that. 54 even is what I'm looking for. Stop at 52 and a quarter. 52 and a quarter is right here. Right? That's my protection on this. All right, 52 and a quarter. So that's my trade setup. Looking for a little pullback here because I am anticipating this market to rally higher, so I just need to get filled at 54 even, looking for the bounce at the round. So I'm going to pause this video and see what we get here. All right, the market came down and got me filled here at 1654. I'm long at 1654 even right in here. 8 contracts of the E-mini S&P 500. So there you have it. There I am. I'm looking for the market to take out this high. I'm looking for a challenge of this high, and then I'm going to look for a challenge of this high, and I want to see how the market reacts to each of these two highs. So I'm going to be patient. I've got my stop in place down here at 1652 and a quarter. Again, I think this market's going to try to move higher. Again, the reason I believe that to be the case is, you know, the failure here and then coming down here, taking it out by only a tick, rallying back up, trying, and then rallying again. So I am assuming this market's going to move higher. We'll see. Got to play stops in. Not risking much on this trade. Again, the last trade I took was a complete mistake. Again, doesn't matter how long you've been trading. You make mistakes placing orders, and that's exactly what I did. I made a mistake, and that's why I actually lost on that last trade. I should actually be long at a lower price, and that price was about 1653 and a half. So long story, I'm going to pause this and come back to you so it's not too long. All right, what I've got here is I'm long 8, as you know, at 54. As you can see here, I'm looking to take 4 off at 1655. Okay, again, since the last trade was a mistake and I lost a couple $100 by complete mistake by using the matrix and hitting a button and it not being the right price, I got out prematurely and lost money. If it wasn't for that mistake, I'd actually be up more on this trade, and I wouldn't be having to re-enter again here at the 54 level. So again, what I did was I've got a resting sell limit order at 1655 that will still leave me with 4 on, and then I'll look and see how the market reacts to that 1655, and then I will take that initial stop loss. That's trade. That's okay. That's just nail that. Okay, good. Took it out. So now I'm long 4, so I need to come back here, and all I need to do is I'm going to cancel the orders, right? I'm going to cancel the order there, and now I'm going to bring that up, right, because I was selling 8. So remember, I'm long 4 now, so I've got to change it. So the quantity is still 4, and I need to decide where that stop is going to be placed now, right? So let me pause it, and I'll be right back with you. So what I've done now is I've moved that stop up just to be a little anal like I am. You know, I don't like losing money, but it's part of the game, right? So I've just moved it up just a tad, okay? I'm at 1652 and 3/4 now, so I'm actually a little above this low rather. So I'm sitting right below these lows, thinking that if the market takes out these 3 lows here, we're going to come down and challenge this low and probably break it and go lower. So that's why I've moved it. I've only saved myself 50 cents, not a whole lot, but again, something's better than nothing. So I'm going to sit here and watch this a little bit, and again, I'm going to look at, you know, the 55 even. I'm just going to be patient. If it starts breaking through 55, again, I'm looking for the market to come back up to try to at least retest that 55 3/4, this last high. If it's not able to do it, I'll get stopped out here. So I'm going to pause the video so it's not too long. All right, I am back with you now. Now, you know, taking a look at this chart, there is no doubt this market right here is sloppy. This is very sloppy. And so I'm thinking to myself, I was long over here, right? Made a little bit of money, right? Made a mistake in here. And again, a mistake based on the matrix, hitting the wrong button, got me out premature. I'm taking a look at this saying, this is sloppy. Should I even be long this market right now? This is sloppy. I'm sitting. I'm waiting for a rally. I'm waiting for the market to break up. I'm anticipating the market's going to break up. So I'm just thinking, you know what? Folks, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not going to sit here any longer. I'm going to cancel the orders right here, right? Which takes out my self-stop order. And I'm simply going to, sell it at the market. I'm going to exit this market. I am going to exit this market and just scratch it and see what I come out ahead. There we go. So even with that mistake, I'm up $100. Not a whole lot. Now look at this market's going to rally. So I exited because I'm sick of the chop in here. Again, I would be up a lot more than this if it wasn't for the mistake in here. All right. Again, it was an order placing mistake, but I want to show you that because it doesn't matter how many years you've been trading, you still make mistakes placing orders here and there. And so you can't get too frustrated. You got to come back when you see something. And again, my last trade was based upon the penetration up through this inside bar right here. Okay. This one right in here, which occurred 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 35 minutes ago. That's what this trade is based on. Okay, so there you have it. I am out. I'm flat the market. So I made a little money on the first trade. I made a mistake and lost like 200 or 300 based on the mistake. But I came back and said, look, that was a mistake. I lost money, but I should be long this based on this trade in here. Okay, and so there you go. So even with that mistake, it came out $100. Not bad. All right. So hope you learned a little something from this. Okay. Have a great day. Bye for now.